provide interim protection to Elon Musk's X in the social media platform's legal battle against the Indian government for alleged indirect censorship. At the Karnataka High Court, X lawyers claimed that the government was engaging in mudslinging against the company. The government said social media companies must adhere to national laws unless set aside by the courts. But what is this case all about? What is I4C of Home Ministry, which is giving content takedown orders? What is Sahyog portal that X is refusing to join? Are the Indian government and X on a collision course? Can this lead to India banning X? My name is Saroya. Let me untangle this for you. At the heart of X's complaint is the numerous content takedown orders being issued by various Indian agencies and officials. X claims that India's information technology law, the IT Act of 2000, provides safeguards against arbitrary removal of content. Specifically, Section 69A of the Act, which allows the government to block content, also has procedural safeguards. These safeguards include oversight by a review committee and written justification for blocking orders, which can be subject to judicial review. X also claims that the Indian government has threatened to withdraw protections under Section 79 of the IT Act, which provides for safe harbor for social media platforms. This section exempts intermediaries like X from liability for third-party content as long as they follow due diligence and don't engage in certain prohibited activities. The main agency behind the content takedown notices is the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, or I4C. Since March 2024, it has sent 426 takedown notices removing unlawful content. These orders targeted cyber fraud, deepfakes, and digital arrests, among other crimes. Some reports, however, claimed that many of the takedown orders were political. Nearly a third of the 66 notices to X were on content about union ministers and central government agencies. The Indian Home Ministry targeted 110,000 pieces of content in the past year. These included videos or posts mocking Prime Minister Narendra Modi, manipulated videos of Home Minister Amit Shah, and satirical or offensive content targeting other ministers. I4C introduced the Sahyog portal in October 2024 to automate the takedown notices. Sahyog, meaning cooperation in Hindi, is a portal of the Indian government that facilitates and automates content removal requests. With a vision to create a safe cyberspace for citizens of India, Sahyog describes itself as an effective framework and ecosystem for the prevention, detection, investigation, and prosecution of cybercrime. The portal can be used to send content removal notices under the IT Act. The idea is to ensure swift action against harmful content. This includes cybercrime-related content or content that threatens India's national security or public order. Using the Sahyog portal, government agencies, police, and central departments can issue direct content takedown orders to online platforms. At least 38 major online platforms have joined this portal. These include Google, Microsoft, and Meta. While the government sees Sahyog as a way to enhance online safety, X has resisted joining it. Now, X alleged that India's rules allow even tax officers to issue content takedown orders and warned that future authorizations could extend to lower-level officials. According to X lawyers, the Sahyog system is used by officials such as tax officers to issue content removal orders, as I mentioned. This is seen by X as censorship by other means and a violation of the freedom of expression rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. The government maintains that the Sahyog portal is only for streamlining compliance. The Government Council told the court that any intermediary is bound by Indian laws, saying that joining the Sahyog portal is not so grave that you need interim protection. The court's decision not to give interim protection means X will have to comply with content takedown orders for now. The case has been posted for the 24th of April for further hearing. At this stage, it is unlikely that X will be completely banned in India. X, formerly Twitter, is known as the digital town square of the world, where opinions are shared, seen, and contested. The government is well aware of the repercussions of blocking such a platform in India. But if X refuses to comply with the laws of the land, it might still happen.